Hey guys, Nate here. Going to show you how we're going to change out the washer on these HH65s. Now we're only going for the one side, and the side that we're going for to look for is the one that has the tab on that shield that you pull down. So only side we're going to do. Make sure it has that tab. So you notice on here what we're trying to fix is this is very loose to where even when you go like this, that pops out. So we need to get a better washer in there. So make sure we're checking it after every time we install that washer. So what you want to do is grab a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll pull this back, and you'll notice this little channel right here. This is so you can get that screwdriver in there to access that screw. Now it's easier if you go underneath the chin strap like this and then pull it back with your finger. Now you're going to start unscrewing it. Now you'll notice that a lot of times that screw doesn't match up to get into that channel. It's going to bump into that edge there, the EPS. That's fine, it'll spread it open a little bit, just keep screwing it, and then you can just start kind of maneuver it there and see how it popped up over it, and I just push it back. Now I leave that screw there, it makes it a lot easier to access once we're putting the new one in. But you want to make sure you pull that old washer out. Now the difference is, because they're both black, let me grab the new washer. Difference is this new one is solid, this old one is a rubber one. So we're not doing the rubber, so if you get confused there, it's that solid washer. So put it back in, you're going to pull this back. What I do is I hold this with my two fingers here like this. You'll notice I go underneath the strap again. It's easier. And then I slowly maneuver that screw back down in there. It's a little bit harder. You'll notice sometimes it pops out there. It's not the easiest thing in the world. But once you get it, I'm going to angle it up and see I grab the tip of the screw there. Boom. Now you notice it's not perfectly lined up. That's fine. What I do is I push against this EPS to get it drop down in there. So then you screw it in here. Now make sure that we're getting it in there tight. So just right there is not good enough. You'll notice it's still loose. You want to make sure that washer goes on straight. So see how it's off there a little bit? Not straight on. You'll want to push that over a little bit to get it straight on the screw. Oops, not too far. Or lots of times it'll automatically go and find it and wrap around that thing if you screw it hard enough. You'll see right there. So we're trying to close this gap right here. I want to get that really good and tight. So know it's tight. And how you know you've done it is when you go to check the shield, pull it up on this, and you'll see it's a lot stiffer in there to where it holds. To where even when you go like this, it's not going to pop out. So that's when you've checked it and you know you've done it right. And you'll pop it back in the bag and then back in the box. Questions at all, go ahead and hit up your supervisor. They can hit me up if you find anything. Thanks again.